Right, hello, welcome back. Actually, it's my first video, so welcome to Roadman and Mathematics. In it, we're gonna be looking at percentages. As you can see right here, you can see. Okay, first question. Ahmed increases 40 by 300%. From this list, put a ring around the correct calculation. Now, let's see. So you got 40, that's the base. In it, oh shit. So you got 40. You want to increase it by 300%. Now, what you do is you see this is like 3 holes, like 1 hole. This is 1 hole. That's what's it called? That's 1. That's 100%. Now, if you want to increase it by 300%, that's 3 over here. So it's going to be this in it. Yeah. 1 mark, easy, done. Question 2. The selling price of a shirt is $26.50. This includes a tax of 6%. Calculate the price of the shirt before the tax was added. Now, big mans, how you do this in it is you have 26 and 26.50 bucks in it. Now, that equals 100%. Yeah, man. Now, it includes a tax of 6%. Calculate the price of the shirt before the tax was added. Now, how you do that is, so this is 100%, yeah? Now, you want to take away the 6%. Now, if you take away 6 from 100, yeah, that's 94. So 90, you need to calculate 94% of the 100%, yeah, of 26.50. Now, you can get your calculator out because it's a calculator test, isn't it? What you put in the calculator, yeah, you put 26.5 multiplied by 0.94. That's going to give you the answer 24.91. 24.91 bucks, yeah, in it. Now, it's the answer. So, yeah. Now that's without the tax. You got the answer is 24.91 in it. That's the answer. That's 2 marks. There you go, because you got some calculations there. The answer, man. Here now, question 3. Adil, what name is that, man? And Brian are paid the same wage. Adil is given a 7% pay decrease, and his new wage is 427 bucks and 80 cents. Brian is given a 7% pay increase. Work out Brian's new wage. So what you do, yeah, you calculate what's 1% of 427.80, and then you multiply it by 100, and then you get what the 100% was of like what the same wage was for the both of them. And then you add 7% pay increase. So you multiply that number in it by 1.07, because 0.7 is 7%. Yeah, I'm sure you get me. And then that's Brian's 7% pay increase, and that's his new wage. Yeah, so let me show you guys, yeah. So you've got buck 427. 427.80. Yeah. Now, what you do, yeah, is what do you do? Divide it by 93. Let me get my calculator. Oh shit. 427.8 divided by 93. That's 4.6. That equals 4.6. Now that 4.6 is 1% of the original. It's 1% of this same wage they were paid before Adil got the 7% pay decrease and Brian got a 7% pay increase. Now after we got this, we need to calculate what the 100% was. So we need buck here, 4.6 or 460 to be more mathematical in it. You multiply it by 100. Man don't need a calculator for that, innit? Now, what you do is you move it up a bit. It's buck 460. Yeah, after you have this, yeah, what you do is you multiply buck 460. I'm not gonna do it nice now, you know, because like we ain't got time, yeah. 460 multiplied by 1.07, because like that's Brian's pay increase from the same wage. This is the same wage they both had before Adil had a 7% pay decrease and Brian had a 7% pay increase. Now we need to calculate Brian's new wage. So he got a 7% pay increase. 0.7 sorry, is like 7%, yeah. And then the one is like we have this, and then it's increasing by 7% of this. It's just a way easier way of like calculating percentage, yeah. So what you do is you input this into the calculator, yeah. That's, you need to put in 460 multiplied by 1.07. Now that equals 492 buck. Shit. 492 freaking 20 cents. And that's Brian's new wage. 492.20. That's 3 marks right there for you, mate. Oh shit, what is it doing, man? Jeez, yeah. Bollocks. That, yeah, there we go. Now, question 4. Roberto buys a toy for $5. He then sells it for $4.60, yeah? Calculate his percentage loss, man. What you do is if you're given a question like this, so you're given like how much he bought it for, so like an original price, and then what he sells it for, like a lower price, and you need to calculate percentage loss, yeah? What you do is you get the base price, like what he bought it for, so that's no, sorry, talking mad, yeah, innit? So 460, you put buck 4.60 in it. Now what you do is you divide this by what he bought it for, which is 5. 460 divided by 5. So that's just how it is. You can put 5.00 if you really want. This is buck, but like you don't need to put that, like the examiner knows what you're talking about, yeah? So after you got this, you get your trusty calculator out, yeah? You put in 4.6 divided by 5, and that's the percentage that he sold it for, yeah? So I got 0.92. So that's the percentage, yeah? That's the percentage for how much Roberto sold his toy, like calculating from the base price, like what he bought it from. You get what I'm saying, right? Innit? You probably do. If you don't, you're just stupid, innit? Yeah. So if you're freaking smart, you know that it's from 100%. You don't need this, yeah. No need to put 0. Yeah. So 100% minus 92, yeah. It's gonna leave you with 8%, because like that's how math works, isn't it? So this is the percentage loss, 8% lost. Now if the examiner sees this, they're gonna know that you know your shit, yeah. So yeah, they're gonna give you a freaking tick there, like you got another 2 points here. Now question 5. So what you do, yeah, so you got Shona buys a chair in a sale for 435 bucks and 60 cents. This is a reduction of 12% on the original price. Now calculate the original price of the chair. So now we know that this thing, yeah, this is 88% of the price. Here we go, we write it there. Examiner knows what I'm talking about, yeah. 88%. Now to get like the proper full money buck thingy, what you do is what we've done before. So you put buck, yeah, 435.60. yeah, that's like the price. Now what you do is you divide it by 88. Yeah, that's going to give you 1%. You'll see why if you don't remember what we did before. So you get your trusty calculator out, yeah. You put in 435.6 divided by 88. That's going to give you 4.92. Sorry, no, I'm talking bollocks, man. 4.95. So it's buck 4.95. There we go, that's 1% of the equation. So after you got this, you multiplied this, multiplied by 100. Man, don't need a calculator for that, innit? That's going to, I'm gonna just put it here, you guys know what I'm talking about, yeah? The examiner knows as well. So 4.95 multiplied by 100, 495. That's going to be your answer. That's buck. Yeah. Calculate the original price. That's the original price. It's 100%. This equals, you can even put this there. It doesn't take long for you to write 100%. Now the examiner knows what you're talking about, yeah. And then after you got this, 495, that's the original price before the reduction. You got this, you showed everything. Examiner knows you know your shit, yeah. You got them ticks. You got, why is it doing that again? Ah, if you go off it. Yeah, okay. You got your tick there, yeah. Now man couldn't figure out how to edit text in a video, yeah. But basically what I'm trying to say is I had to cut out the last question. Because like, YouTube's like not letting me upload it because like the video would be too long, like about 15 minutes. But like you're gonna see like the end result of like what I got for question 6. You're gonna try, you can try and do it and see if you like you get it as well. Anyway, let me know if you get me. I'll see you guys in another one, yeah. I don't know what we're doing next, you'll find out. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share, man. Yeah, so man can grow and, you know, share his teachings, innit? Alright. Peace out, big mans, yeah. Innit?